Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tionia in the house. So guys, I came in from work and I'm hungry and I decided that I'm gonna do some cream of wheat peanut plantain porridge. Alright guys, please remember to leave me a little bit of a like and subscribe for other amazing content. Alright my peeps, let's get into this video. Oh, I'm just gonna cut up this and we're gonna come back. We're gonna blend it, alright? Alright guys, so I went ahead and I cut up my plantain. You can use half of a plantain. This one was a small one. Alright, and we're gonna add it to the blender. Oopsie. There you go. And we're gonna blend this. Alright, I'm also gonna add the peanut, about 1/3 cup, and use any peanut of your choice. This is the one I have and this is what I'm using. You can use the raw peanut. And we're gonna put about a cup of water. And you're gonna blend it until it's creamy. Creamy. All right guys, let's, oh, it smells so good. I have my pot on the stove. Now we're gonna flavor this up a little bit. All right, we're gonna add about, you can put about 1/4 teaspoon. I'm gonna put about 1/8 cinnamon powder. You can add more or less. All right, add to your liking. We're gonna go in with some nutmeg, maybe about 1/4 teaspoon. We're gonna put a pinch of salt, about 1/4. We can put half. We're gonna go in with some almond extract. I'm gonna put about 1/4, just a smidge, or half teaspoon. It's up to you. Now we're gonna put 2 teaspoons vanilla. 1, 2. Guys, you can smell it. That's the flavor you need. Ooh. Here I have my cream of wheat and I'm gonna go in with about 1/3 cup. All right, so I'm using it in place of the oats. Just before the water boil up, or just when it starts to boil, you're gonna add the cream of wheat. All right, this is how you're gonna add it. Oops, sorry. I hope you're seeing it, guys. You're gonna add it gradually and constantly stir it, all right, because you don't want it to lump up or clump up. All right, and now you're gonna go in with your mixture. All right, and you're gonna make sure you constantly stir it until it comes to a boil. Just constantly stir this until it comes to a boil. Okay, it's getting thick. You have to be patient. All right guys, don't leave it alone. If you leave it alone, it'll go clump up or lump up. Just one little piece of lump here. Take out that one there. Let this cook for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. All right, because the cream of wheat only take like 3 to 5 minutes, but because of the plantain, you want the plantain to cook, so just cover up this and let it simmer down a little bit. All right, I want to leave it thick like this because I'm gonna come back and we're gonna mix some lasco, some almond flavor lasco, and we're gonna put it in it. All right, so we're gonna turn down the stove now and we're gonna let it simmer, and we're gonna come back in about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, guys, we're gonna cover it. Some almond lasco. All right, and we're gonna put some. You can put about 1/4 cup to 1/3. It's up to you. Just put enough. All right, that will do. It's about 1/3. Gonna add a little bit of water, and we're just gonna use the same spoon and mix it out a little. See how thick and nice it is, guys. I'm gonna pour your milk and stir. It smells amazing. You can use condensed milk if you want. You can up the milk, it's up to you. Use whatever you like in it. You can use soy, almond, you can use some coconut milk as well. Alright. Another 5 minutes and it's all done. Alright, my peeps, we're back. Stove off. All done. Now we're going to use a little bit of brown sugar and we're going to sweeten it. Sweeten it to your taste. I'm not going to make mine sweet. It's about 1/3. You can put half, 3/4. Remember to mix out the bottom, okay? Alright guys, we're gonna serve up some and I'm gonna taste it for you. Make it to how you like it, alright guys? Alright guys, we're gonna pour some in here. All right, my peeps, and this is it. All right, yes, add whatever you like to it. All right, yes. All right, I'm gonna dive down in it. You can serve it up with some water crackers, a slice of bread, broke up the bread in it, or you can drink it as is, or you can even put some fresh fruits on top over there, guys. All right, cream of wheat peanut plantain porridge. All right guys, try it and tell me how it tastes. It tastes, well, I taste it before and it tastes good, but I'm gonna taste it. All right, let's taste this bad boy. Oh my. And it's not sweet, guys. It's so good. Amazing. Really good combo. Try it, guys. Lots of potassium, lots of fiber. Lots of iron. And the cream of wheat, Jamaican style, strong back this, yeah. All right guys, you have a good day.